The four branches of AI can be all applied at once or separately to generate original content. A robot could literally put a paintbrush in a paint can, lift its paintbrush, and then start painting automatically. So you can use robots to generate original content. You can also use the second branch, which is cognitive or symbolic, by giving a computer the rules of how to create a crossword puzzle book. We did this at our lab, where we wanted to have a crossword puzzle where the hint is in English and the answer is in a local language for language learning. We simply programmed the logic of what a crossword puzzle author does, and then it automatically generated crossword puzzle books. So cognitive symbolic computing can be used for generating original content. The one that most people in the public domain are experiencing today is ChatGPT and others, where it's a large language model. That's using computational machine learning. It ingests a huge amount of data, a huge amount of words. It infers the logic behind those words. It infers the rules, and therefore it forecasts what would be a logical answer. Who is George Washington? The first president of the United States. It learned that from a lot of text. That's the third branch. The last branch, machine learning control, you literally can have a content engine coming out of a control function. If an airplane is flying too low, it will suggest to the pilot to increase the altitude. If it's flying too high, it can suggest to the pilot to reduce the altitude. And it will generate a prompt. It'll generate a result that says, beep, 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 please descend. Or beep, 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 you're maybe going to collide with a mountain. And it'll then tell the pilot to change course. So control functions can actually generate content as well. So generative output can be done by a number of methods. Often it's driven by the purpose. So if the purpose is to have a chatbot that can answer vague questions, a large language model will be very good. If, however, you want an exacting answer, where is Rattlesnake Hill, then you're going to use a rule-based method. That's cognitive computing. If you want a cool painting, you might use robotics, etc., because that's required physical, movement is required. So robotics might be required. So generative AI can happen across all four branches and even a mix of the different branches of AI.